Hi everyone, I am Pujita. My project is a clustering technique for news articles using WordNet, and my project guide is Dr. N. Sandhya, and my team members are Jansi Rani, Aarti and Vanita. Coming to the contents of my project, the contents of my project are abstract, purpose of project, existing system, proposed system, requirements, steps involved in project, WordNet. Coming to the abstract of my project, the process of grouping a set of physical or abstract objects into classes of similar objects is called clustering. Document clustering is a powerful technique that has been widely used for organizing data into smaller and manageable information kernels. Clustering of news articles deriving from the web that combines regular k-means with external information extracted from the WordNet database. The main purpose of our project is we can see a lot of news articles from web every day. One of the most common approaches for organizing this immense amount of data is use of clustering techniques. Clustering has been proven to be a useful technique for information retrieval by discovering interesting information kernels and distribution in the underlying data. Clustering of news articles can help by depicting the underneath content hierarchy of a huge amount of articles within the reach of a single individual. The exit system is document clustering is a powerful technique that has been widely used for organizing data into smaller and manageable kernels. Several approaches have been proposed. They have many problems. Ambiguity and synonymy are two of the major problems they fail to tackle with. The proposed system is to overcome the problems. We are describing a variety of document clustering techniques and evaluating their application of our dataset, that is, news articles gathered from web. Our aim is to compare the resulting clusters and determine which technique is best fitted for the extreme amount and diversity of news articles that needs to address. Furthermore, we are presenting an approach in particular, clustering of news articles deriving from the web that combines regular k-means with external information extracted from the ordinary databases. Our approach combines keyboard extraction and several information retrieval techniques. The main architecture of our project is the requirements of our project. The main steps involved in project is we first partition the news articles into clusters using k-means algorithm. Secondly, our aim towards increasing the efficiency of the user clustering algorithm, that is to enhance this bag of words with the use of external databases and in particular WordNet. Next, we exploited the WordNet database within the scope of k-means. Coming to the k-means algorithm, first step is randomly select 3 cluster centers, calculate the distance between each data point and its cluster centers, assign the data points to the cluster centers whose distance from the cluster center is minimum of all the cluster centers, recalculate the new cluster using the formula, recalculate the distance between each point and new obtained cluster centers. If no data point was assigned, then stop, otherwise repeat from step. Coming to the WordNet, WordNet is one of the most widely used largest lexical databases of English. It groups nouns, verbs, adjectives and adverbs into sets of synonyms called synsets. The synsets are organized in senses, giving thus the synonyms of each word, and also into hypernyms, and hypernym relation is providing a hierarchical tree-like structure for each term. The main advantage of my project is it can provide information retrieval systems with the potential to elevate users while browsing and detecting quickly needed information. This in turn leads to serving better filtered and adequate results to the users, helping in essence the decision making process. Conclusion is we have measured 10 times increment over the standard k-means algorithm in terms of high infrastructure similarity and low inter-similarity cluster. Coming to the execution of my project, I used Eclipse IDE. In the main GUI, we have to give 4 inputs, that is stopcode file, news articles and output file and number of clusters. First we have to browse the stopcode file. And we have to give news articles, that is we can download news articles from it if you want. And the output location where we have to save the output. Here we can dynamically give number of clusters. Here we can see the cluster formation. Here we can see the output folder in the dataset, that is present in Excel sheet. We have some term frequency and between the documents and terms. Here we can see the term frequency. one of the clusters after using regular k-means algorithm. In this cluster we have only one, and we can see the bag of force here and relation between the bag of force and clusters. After using WordNet, the cluster formation is somewhat different. Here we can see the bag of force, that is hypernym derived from WordNet. Thank you.